get in here in our little secret.
Don't show nobody that shit.
Oh, come on. Well, they got to be able to know. I mean, what the hell? It's not your fault. Yo. So anyway, cut to from the hyperlapse to this. It turns out that if you turbo can something with Rust-Oleum gloss, it puts a slick finish on it. And I'm going to try and sneak in here so I can see what the real problem is, because I ain't really seen it. Oh, wow. You can't see that from where I'm sitting. Okay. Well, you can see it here. So this was relatively cool looking. Oh, easy, fella. And then we sprayed Montana Gold, which is a very good paint, over the Rust-Oleum gloss, which didn't have any clear coat on it. And as you can see, it turned into scrambled egg boogers and coagulated and did, see that texture and all that? So I'm here to tell you, as a non-professional painter, and you cannot blame the artist for this, because how could he have possibly known, you cannot spray over gloss, probably gloss anything, because it's not going to have enough surface texture for everything to grab onto. Now, strangely enough, his wife somehow knew that and didn't bother telling us. But, you know, I'm here to tell you now that it is a problem. You can see this is a thing that is a real issue for us, because we're on a time crunch, and there might be a little hiatus on these videos because my man has to go do some Somali pirating offshore, and well, stopping him, and he's going to be gone for like 2 months. So there might be a little lapse in these, but yeah, you cannot, maybe you can, but we could not spray over a gloss spray paint and then try and come over it with another paint. It just did not work out well. He was having problems getting a clean line. It's doing boogery sand paint stuff here. And that you can see that. I mean, you can literally see the texture. It's running like a fried egg. And he ain't no amateur. He be doing this for real. So how could we have possibly known? I don't know. But we know now, and now if you see this, you'll know. So you'll get to see the hyperlapse, you'll get to see the bear kind of come to life, and then go away pretty quickly, because it is a problem.
Show the difference on the head of the house.
Yeah, right? So I'll walk over here so you can actually see that he's not just some half-assed Picasso. You can see, and this video is also, I'll link off to it, it's on my YouTube already, that he does not have this problem when he's spraying over a flat, like this brick is a flat, whatever he used as the base, and it doesn't run. There are no runs in this thing. I watched him do this very quickly, and he kept using this as an example to me to show me the difference between what was actually happening on my hood and what will continue happening versus the work that he generally does. So I hope that this has been a lesson for us, and I hope it's a tutorial for you on what not to do. And maybe you already knew this, maybe you didn't, now you do. And comment if you somehow know how to spray over gloss with Montana or like Loop or another fancy spray paint and make it work. Please let us know, because this shit needs to get done. It's not my daily, but it's my toy, and it's gonna be down for a little while now. Just timing is what it is. But alright guys, I hope this helps you out. Ignore the wind noise, and hopefully my hyperlapse camera is still going. Till next time, later taters.